Hey friends, welcome back, and if you're new, I'm so happy that you're here. You're welcome and appreciate it. Well guys, I was asked to participate in a $10 winter decor challenge, and I'm so excited. I basically love Valentine's Day. That's my favorite winter holiday. So I did a rose gold vignette featuring how to etch glass on champagne, and then I also made some resin coasters. So guys, the host for this is Mz Kaye from Creating with Mz Kaye. She's awesome. She does all kinds of great designs, DIYs, decor. You gotta check out her channel. And my lovely co-host is the Crafty Nana 6200, and she is awesome also with DIYs and mixed media. Gotta check out their channels, and I'll leave all of their information in the description bar below. So guys, we were asked to do a $10 or under decor challenge, and guys, you do have to use items that you either purchase or in your home, but the good thing is you can use items in your home, and that's what I did. So I wound up using spending $4. So I'm using this vase, those two champagne flutes from the Dollar Tree, and a picture frame, and I'm going to etch glass. So I'm going to be using stencils. I would recommend using stencils that have adhesive to them, and I'm just going to be etching the glass with mine and the hubby's initials, and I'm going to be also etching out the picture frame to make it into a tray. And guys, this Armor etching cream can be purchased in any store, but I already had it on hand, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount. Basically, you want to leave it on for about 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Basically with this, I used a regular stencil. I should not have done that. You do have to use one that you could either be a Cricut or regular stencil, but it has to be adhesive stencil. Otherwise, the actual etching cream will blend underneath, and you'll see it when I rinse this off. So just wait 15 minutes and run it under hot water, and make sure that you wear gloves and goggles for protection, and it will come out really nice and clean, and you'll see the etching. But the only problem is mine did bleed a little bit. The champagne flutes came out lovely. I probably should have left it on a little bit longer, but it still looks nice. And guys, they have these in the Dollar Tree right now, these mini champagne flutes. They are adorable. And you can also reuse the stencils, so I washed those off also and put them to the side. So as you can see, it came out absolutely lovely. I love the way they look. I was gonna go back over it with some print screen ink, but I didn't have any on hand. I'm using this pen. It will work just as well. You just have to make sure that when you apply it, you rub it off right away and clean it up with a paper towel. Only thing is, I think it did make it a little bit dimmer, like the actual etching didn't show through as well to me, but it still looks lovely. It's just not showing as well on camera. But I love the way it turned out. You can see the difference from the one I colored versus the one I didn't. It just gave it a slight champagne color. You can also see where the stencil bled with the etching cream under the blessed, but I'm going to use this as a tray, so that's okay. So to make it nice and holiday friendly with Valentine's Day for my winter decor challenge, I'm going to use some of this really fine rose gold glitter. It is so gorgeous. It's not really reading the right color on the camera, but it's so beautiful, guys. And I'm going to do the same thing with my vase. And last but not least, I had some resin. Of course, I always have resin. I mixed the same rose gold glitter into the resin, still in my budget, because I already had these on hand, and the rule was you can use whatever you already had at home. And so this is free. Just putting it out there. And I mixed it up, and I basically added a little bit of gold in it to make it a little bit more opaque, and I basically let them sit for overnight. And as you can see, they're gorgeous. And I'm gonna go back with that same gilding pen and do the edging, and yeah, it's gonna be beautiful. So that's $4 so far, and I'm gonna leave it just right there. The last thing I'm going to do is add on some Bling Chain that I got from BB Craft, that they sponsored it early in the year, and I'm just going to add that on with some E6000. And I also added some of that same glitter to my tray, and I love the way it turned out. It's just the cutest vignette. And my vase, I added the same bling chain to the top, and guys, it's a showstopper. It's so gorge, and I love this color of the rose gold. So I hope you guys like the vignette, and guys, don't forget to go to the playlist and check out all of the other creators on the playlist. Please don't forget to stop by the co-host channel, the Crafty Nana 6200. She is so amazingly awesome, and her personality just jumps out of the YouTube channel for you. Like, she's amazing, and she has great mixed media DIYs. And also, please check out Mz Kaye, our most gracious host. Thank you, Mz Kaye, for allowing me to participate in this collab. I'm so appreciating you. She's awesome. You gotta check out her channel also for all of her great DIYs in design and decor. And guys, she's awesome. So I will leave all that in the description bar below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching.